But I think what's important now is that, as part of this budget, that there's, that government really looks at stimulus activity, and that, something along the lines of an economic development fund, an economic development and stimulus fund is put in place. And there are a number of projects here in Cork which will bring real economic value, economic activity and drive job creation. I think it's really, really important that there are no cost increases to business in this budget. Businesses need that confidence, they need to understand what's coming down the line, and I think anything that impacts on costs in terms of employing people and moving forward with the plans that businesses have will not be good. And equally, anything which impacts in terms of tax increase certainly will not be welcome. It certainly isn't welcome at business. It won't help from a consumer spend perspective and a consumer confidence point of view. So I suppose in summary, no tax increases and no costs added to business. Very, very important.